Now here's a juicy bit of science that I never came across myself when I was young. This is a way of converting heat into electricity, but instantly, nothing in between. This little Peltier element here, I don't know what it's made of, but it has the property that when heat flows through it, it converts it into electrical current, which then flows through the wires. Quite astonishing. It's the Seebeck effect. So to construct it, we just have to place one of these in here, which is going to become the cold tank. This one is a hot one. Now put some hot water in it. I put the element in between. I'd love to know what the interior of that is to do that, such an extraordinary effect. And then put a clip on top. Oops. Splash, splash, splash. Well done there. That's right. So we've got a cold water tank, and now we're going to have a hot water tank. And first of all, I'll just put this on the front so it's going to start rotating. So when the heat flows through this, it's going to make electricity flow through the wires, and then this will start turning. Up to about there. So the heat is now going to start flowing up through this little aluminium angle and warm this side of the oh goodness, it's working extraordinarily quickly, isn't it? So we've got therms of heat going through from the hot water tank through to the cold water tank, and as they're flowing through the Peltier element, it's creating electricity which flows through the wires. Curiously enough, I haven't tried it, but it will actually reverse the other way. So if I start putting electricity through these wires, the Peltier element itself will be hot on one side, cold on the other. Quite an extraordinary thing. And the kit itself could hardly be simpler. Just these two little channels, a bit of water in each, hot, one cold, and push this thing together. It takes about 30 seconds, I would say. That's extraordinary, isn't it? How quickly and readily it starts operating.